Okay, everyone, just doing some little comparison between the Chinese lights. This isn't that's not the original Halo. I'm just doing some playing. That's all. Trying to figure something out. But I ordered a set of American made. These are Chinese, of course, plastic. Well, I think that's plastic. Yeah, plastic housing. Y'all can see the inside of these things. This isn't what's on our car. These are the ones, the original ones that was bad. Anyways, these are the American-made ones. Let me show you the quality in this. Glass. Steel. Wow. I want you to. Steel housing. Look at the gasket on that. Wow. I ordered a set of these. That's what a light looks like. Because I got something planned. I'm not sure what. So I just like to get things and take it apart and see what I can do. So anyway, just trying to do the comparison between Chinese. This is not what we're getting, but to the USA made. So, alrighty.